All right, are we live? Can you guys hear me? Let's see what we got going on here. We got Eldor in the house. How's it going? Ibrahim, Engine Coin, XCN. We got Eldor for 5 already. Sentayo, he says. I appreciate the early super chat, my man. Yeah, we got it up on the screen. What's up, Tony? What's up, Slava? Cats and dogs back in the house. ACH, please. ACH looks like it's about to take off. I just did an update on it, but we're going to look at it. ACH looks like it's going to rocket out of here. Not financial advice. Yeah, wait for a few more people to get in here. What's up, Jeffkins? What's up, Shadow? Dennis? What's up, Silver? Good morning from Singapore. How you doing? Already coming in here with a bunch of requests. Let's see. ABT. XRP Army. Let's see. But yeah, I appreciate the 5. We'll get into it, I guess, just so we don't waste time sitting in this chair. So yeah, this one came way down, but Sentayo Protocol, I think it's still a good play. Looking here on the daily chart, going from the high to the low, it potentially hit it twice now. So if this is it at 18, if it holds, then of course it needs to get back over where it's getting stuck. So maybe this is going to hold 25 and then 31 to be bullish, and then 45 for a potential breakout to the upside. But as of right now, I mean, it's a little lower than when it came out, so maybe this is the bottom. Damn, I wish I had extra money so I could buy this thing. I haven't bought it yet. Could be a good time to load up on it, but just keeping it easy. Up to $1 from where it is now, 1272. If that's the bottom, it's a 6.5x almost. Just to get to $1. If this thing can hit $2, which if it pulls a virtual, then, which it hasn't yet, of course, you can get a 10x to $2. But yeah, I want to buy in on this one if it ever stabilizes, I guess. Oh man, got so much to look at. Yeah, what'd you say about Japan? As of January 29th, a groundbreaking announcement has emerged from Japan's financial landscape, indicating that every bank in the country will be utilizing XRP, Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency next week. Is that true? Yeah, we got bullish news coming out all over the place, it seems like. What's up, CD? What's up, Future J? Pump time. XRP go boom. What's up, Head Hog? How you doing, my man? All right, let's see what you guys are asking for, because I'm already getting behind, like, big time. We got Sentayo, Engine, XCN. There we go. Engine and XCN. Let's see here. But yeah, ACH. We'll get into ACH in just a moment. Maybe it's time for these other coins to start going. Engine still down here in the gutter, still on the bottom. So if you're ever looking to buy Engine for a bull run, yeah, on final support here. But yeah, this thing's on the final support. It should hold at 15. What are we on, weekly? And potentially just put the bottom end off of the wick. So if this is the bottom at 15, perfect buying opportunity. Bullish back over 25, and then bottom end over 2.8. But let's zoom this thing out. What did I just do? I don't know what I did. But possible bottom in here for Engine coin to the moon. Is Engine on Coinbase? I don't even know. If Engine's on Coinbase, this could be a good coin. Especially if it's in the top 500, top 200. I don't know where it is, but from where it is now, 618 retracement in a bull market, about 118 would give you a 7.5, close to a 8x, and then $2 for a 14.5x on Engine. Older coin, so I don't know if it's going to perform well or not. It seems to be these older coins, these coins in the top 200 or so, are going to be the best winners this cycle, maybe, because there's so many coins out now. We've been saying that not everything's going to get bought. Now, is it going to do an 87, 89x? I don't think so. It could, but yeah, Engine's not bad. It's down there at the bottom. Just to remember a couple I remember. XCN real quick. Yeah, XCN is supposed to have all this news coming out next week starting Monday, so if it holds up here, it'll probably blast off too. I think we're ready for that. We're all ready for this thing to blast, the market to blast off. Yeah, we dipped down below, but ultimately we're still holding the 382 here. So we're looking for some sort of move like this to play out. Come all the way up to 10 cents, and then maybe in this area, 8 to 10 cents, and maybe hold, or maybe come back down and back test the 786 here. But that's what I'm looking for on XCN here to continue its run. Of course, 5.5 at the 786 is going to be the first target for a 73% move, and then I would say 8 to 10 cents here, 150% to a 212% move, loading up for next week. Just keep in mind, you got to realize this thing already did a 20x, so it's probably not going to rocket out of here and do another 10x right now. Oh, they removed Engine a while ago from Coinbase. All right, so never mind. What's up, Dave? How you doing? What's up, Bryant? I stopped chasing trades. What's up, Link Skater? Wind Moon. Hopefully soon. We'll get into something here. I was looking at a couple of charts, and I was watching a couple of people talk about alt season, and they made some really good points. So we're like right there, in my opinion. Okay, what are we looking at here? I'm already lost in the sauce because there's too many things asked for here. XRP, AVT, I remember those two. XRP. Yeah, XRP's still holding up very well here. She refuses to go down. And if what he said is true, then zoom this thing out so we can see. Yeah, this thing's holding up still. Possible little bull flag pattern forming again, consolidation. Little tiny green candle just spawned in on the month. Yeah, did we just get new monthly candles in? Let's go. We're going. So are we going to be bullish in February? Or not quite? $8 XRP incoming. What did someone say? I saw AVT, and then oh yeah, Fox. Oh, AVT on the monthly looks bullish. This big old double bottom W pattern. Yeah, Ventus is ready for the bull market. She's starting to push here too. Big old pattern here. She's just gonna fly to the moon. Let's go back down though. But yeah, AVT, high to the low on the new chart here, getting stuck right at the 382. So it needs to hold over 313 and break this high. but it's making higher highs and higher lows. It held the trend. It held the 236. So we should have this thing come up soon to the 618, make a higher high up to about 5, do a 68% move. Excuse me. If not, then it's going to be one of these coins that make the lower high and then it could break down more. But we saw the same thing with Spell. We were waiting for it to break and it broke. But ultimately on AVT here, not looking bad. Coinbase coin, low market cap. Easily going to hit the 618. But if it can break through and get over the 382, we'll be in business here. And then this one possible $20 for a 6.5x on AVT. What? Yeah. All right. So 20, maybe $40 for almost $500 million market cap for a 13.5x. We put it on Fox and get back over to the chat. Yeah, Fox is not looking too bad. The overall trend is holding. Damn, I'm gonna have to go get some water. I'm already starting to not be able to talk. ACS or ACH? Well, ACS already hit the resistance and came back down. I really thought it was going to move through, but right now ACH is more bullish. Like and subscribe. What's up, Lady T? Welcome back. Okay, I read that they removed that. How many people we got here? Oh, we got less than yesterday. Only got 35 people in here. Where's everyone at? All right, let me fix that. Get that off. Move that. All right, let's close this. All right. Massive hope for ABT. Yeah, where are you going on a trip to, my man? Getting out of Colorado? He says traders said Ethereum will hit 4,500 in February when Bitcoin shoots to 120K. What are we looking at? Fox, Spell, and then something else. But yeah, Fox is down here on the bottom. It's not good that it made a lower high here, but ultimately you're above the 236, and as long as you're over 4.7, price to beat is the 3.2 at 8. And I think ultimately we had the other trend here at some point where it's getting stuck. So that's why it keeps getting stuck here. But now if we can get over 8.7, the price to beat is 14, trend and 0.5, and then you'll be in good shape. But yeah, Fox is another Coinbase play that should potentially perform very well. At least 786 here would get you at 8.5x to 46. Maybe you hit 50 cents and get about a 9x. And if it goes higher, we have the possible new high 2 billion market cap and about a 63x up to 350. Swift is saving the day for you. What's up, Mispa? Oh, you going to Florida? Nice. Florida. All right, let's see. ABT. Spell, Swift coin. What is AVT doing? Still holding up. Yeah, arc block is still looking good. Consolidation holding over the 2. Once we break over the 2272 again with a candle here, that's probably when she'll start going. But yeah. And as of our chart, another 25x to about 30 bucks, 3 billion market cap. May go higher than that. But first we got to hit this $13 to $15 10x level, billion market cap. But yeah, ABT's in a real good setup here. She's been hold long enough to get alt season in here, which alt season may have started already. Like the very beginning of alt season has started. Swift coin's pushing up. Oh, here we go. Right at resistance right now at pretty much 4 pennies. Yeah, if Swift coin here can push through 4, next stop up is potentially 10. 165% move, get you near that billion market cap. A lot of good spots on Swift to take profit. 10 and then 20 for a 5x, and then about 50 cents probably. But I think a lot of people think Swift coin's going to $1, so if it does, there's your 30x from today. If it can push through. Yeah, Swift coin's not looking bad. I don't know, did someone say spell? I don't know if they did or not. But yeah, spell's still getting stuck. Until you get over the 382 at 2.0, there's no move up right now on spell. So for this thing to stay bullish, you have to stay over 1.4. $1.4 is your support, and then 2.0 is your price to beat on spell. Smaller time frame, you're holding the 382 at 13. You need to get back over 15, and then I'll send you up to 20. What's up, Carrie? Can we check Mochi? You're out $25. Oh, you threw $25 on it for fun? Mochi. Yeah, let me write that down. Mochi, so we can go over to Deck Screener, gamble away. Yeah, I wish I had some extra money right now. If I had some Tether, I'd send it over to, what's it called? Mochi. I would send it over to Blowfin and go put a long in on ACH. All right, got Mochi, wrote it down. Yeah, Swift coin. Let me see Swift coin on the smaller time frame. I guess there's no point since she's been pumping today. It's not going to tell us anything. You may push through. You already got a daily close over it. Not that that tells us really anything, but you got a daily close over, and you're trying to hold right now at 391. You're at 394. So there's your hope. Larger time frames, you look like you're getting stuck. And then low to the high, excuse me. If it can stay over 341, especially on the larger time frames, then you can stay bullish here. And yeah, she's trying to push right now. Yeah, I don't even know what Bitcoin's doing. Still at 102. Yeah, but for anyone holding ACH, where's our ACH chart? She really looks like she's about to take off. am. I know you guys don't want to hear it, but I should have got out of my XCN when this thing pulled back down here. Just did a long on it. Yeah, the volume is pumped back in on ACH. What is the 4-hour volume at now? But yeah, looking here on ACH on the 4-hour. This could be what Swiftcoin's about to do. It almost looks exactly the same. But last time we consolidated here and then we pushed up. Now we're consolidating again in a bull flag. And she looks like she wants to break out. Yeah, this is very bullish on ACH here. Yeah, high to the low. It looks like if you can get over 4.7 to 618, then she's gone. What's up, Jared? What's up, Blue Man? Mochi. Yeah, we're gonna go look at Mochi in a minute. You reloaded Swiftcoin. Volume is low on Mochi. Yeah, all of these little, I got like what, three $50 plays on coins, and they're doing nothing or they're going down. Like who? I don't even remember who it was. I don't know if you're in the chat or not, but he sent me Tether the other day to buy, what was that coin called? Souls. You guys remember that? I bought Souls and it's going to zero. Just can't ever win. Should have just put that money in something else, I guess, because that Soul coin is just going down. We got Junior. Welcome back, Junior, for 5. Can you look at ZRO chart? I'm thinking of trading it for ACH. ZRO. Yeah, we can look at it. I appreciate the super chat. ZRO. I don't know what that is. ZRO. Have we looked at this before? Oh, layer 0. I have no idea what this thing's doing. Man, it's trying to hold the 618. It's an overall bullish looking chart. We're going from that wick high to that wick low. But it does seem to be respecting. Hit the 236, came all the way up to the 1618. Now it's back down to the 618, but it's holding the higher low. So the bottom is potentially in here on this thing right now. So if you want to switch it or not, you can see hit the 0.5, it bounced up, it's holding the 618. And it's probably going to come up here and make a higher high potentially. Top of the fib will take you up to $45 and get you an 11 and 12x. But as of right now, if it makes another leg up, 155% move to $9 to $10 here. But I would just say that this thing's on the bottom. There's really no bullish, consolidation going on. I guess whatever this is we looked at. Big channel to the downside. Get that off. But yeah, if you look on the 3-day, it's getting stuck here. So your support is 348. I know you didn't want to know that really, and 378 to break. But in other words, right now, ACH is more bullish where it is right now. This thing will probably move up, but it's probably going to take a couple weeks unless it just goes to the moon, which it's probably not going to. Momentum is clearly down. I don't know what that is, where you can buy it, if people know about it. Let's see. Trying to make some money. But yeah, right now, short term, I'm not saying ACH is going to the moon right now. It could pull an XCN. You know, after it finally breaks out of that large triangle pattern here, and you never know what's going to happen. But short term here, let me move this out of the way. If she can break through this yellow line and then break this red line and get it to the 618 at 5.6, you could easily. That's why I wanted to put a long in on this thing, to do like a 5-10x long. So it could be as much as at least a 20% move here to 5.6. But I think if it breaks out of this large pattern here, it should do more than that, as you can see here, because it looks like it's about to take off. So you may do a 100% move here all the way up to the 786 with a large spike out of here. The measure and move on this thing, if it's going to break out, takes you all the way up past the high. I don't know if that's going to play out in 1 or 2 or 3 giant candles, but you get the idea. But yeah, ACH is on the cusp of breaking out. Hopefully it does a 2x out of here. Oh, zeros on Coinbase. Okay. So I'd imagine it's a low market cap coin on Coinbase. So yeah. SPA's waking up. All right, Vara. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing? Oh, Vara woke up. Oh no, Vara waking up here. We're like right there. Wow, she did wake up. Pretty much held the trend and just blasted up. It's above the 0.5 now. So if we can get over 27, then you're bullish again. All right, VAR's not looking bad here. Large, nice, double bottom, higher low. But if you can get over that, which, I mean, it's going up right now. If you can finally get over and stay over the 236 at 3, you see the monthly candles pretty much got stuck there. So you need to pretty much get a monthly candle over to hold, and then bullish over 5. Flipcoin says VTHO and QTM. VTHO, let me look at SPA real quick. Are these Coinbase coins waking up again? Do they always wake up on a Friday? And then the weekend just dumps them back down or stops them? Yeah, SPA's trying to get up there too, but it's ultimately getting stuck at that previous trend in the 0.5. So it needs to get over that 0.5 at 2.8, and then you'll be in good shape. And as long as you hold over 16, you're good. Yeah, that one looks like it's trying to wake up and move. Oh, what is VTHO? Oh, 2 different charts. We'll just see. Yeah, this one doesn't look bad. It made the higher high over the 0.5. So your support is 4.9. It needs to get up here and get a weekly candle over the 618 at 007. So we're either about to start going. Yeah, this thing's definitely going to hit $1 billion market cap, penny. So maybe this thing does come up here and hit 7 for almost a 13x. But either we're going to start going here, or things are going to start hitting resistance and breaking back down. You get the idea. Can draw. 4 hour, let's see. Not the best looking move, but it's not dying. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get some water because I can't talk at the moment. Every time I open my mouth, I want to cough. Low to the high. Yeah, you're getting stuck at the 3-2 lower high double top in play. So if you can get back over 6-2 on this one, then you're bullish again, up to 8. Let's see. What's up, Matthew? What's up, Clavins? Cutum? I don't know what that is. Oh, what is this? Whatever this is, we haven't looked at it in ages. What is on the chart here? All right, let me delete all this nonsense. Yeah, where can you get this point at? Down and sideways forever since 2021. Since May of 2021. Yeah, any coin you see like this that's been consolidating for years, if people know about it and if it's on like a good exchange to buy it, if this is on Coinbase, this could be a real good rollover play, especially if it's in the top 200-300. But yeah, you're trying to get over the 236 right now at 365. You're at 370. So if you can hold there, bottom is in, and then a 50% move up to 560, 570 to be bullish over the 382. And then break out over 11 for a 200% move. Yeah, it's been getting stuck at the 236, and when it does wake up, 382 comes into play instantly. So if you can get over those, this thing may be bullish. And the question is it going to hit $80? If it comes all the way up to the possible new high here, that's a 22x. SPA, yeah, we went over SPA. Yeah, that VTHOR token is still bullish. It's just it depends on what's going to happen with it. But these coins are waking up. He says, can someone wake up H bar? What's up, Yodi? Yeah, where's that Qtum coin at? I need to start making a list of rollover plays. So if I do have something actually pump and get me a couple $100, I could do, keep rolling over into different plays. What's the next play to get into? How much are they going to throw into it? How much are you? Oh, me? Well, I have nothing until I need XCN or something. I need these little meme coins to pump. I need some sort of money. The next play right now, if I had some Tether, if I had a couple $100 of Tether or something, if I had some extra money, I'd put it on ACH right now. I would do a long on ACH. That is not financial advice, but when I looked at the ACH chart earlier, I was like, oh man. Quantum is since 2017, is it? Oh yeah. All-time high was $80. Oh, so that would take you up to the all-time high. There's probably an older, better chart for it then. Let's see. Oh yeah, I get what you mean now. All right, so there's the full chart on. How do you say it? Quantum? Quantum? All right, looking on this chart, we got a little better look. So you're holding the 236 here. Oh man, why'd you make me look at this chart? Is this a Coinbase coin, anyone? I probably can't even buy it, but this is the same thing ACH and some of these older coins have going on. Large triangle patterns, consolidating forever. So once you get over 447, possible breakout, and then 1370. But yeah, now that we found the correct chart, this thing looks really good. So, and it's slowly getting, to the apex of this large pattern here. So breakout up to the 786 at $30 would do an 8x, 8.5x or so. So the new high on this one, I don't know what it is, but 1272 is $300 for almost an 80x. Let me go ahead and get rid of that other chart so we don't ever look at it again. I don't really care for the Binance charts. Someone said SPA again. SPA. SPA on the monthly doesn't look bad. You can see it just formed a big double bottom. Yeah, but ultimately SPA, the first thing you got to do is get over the 0.5 at 2.8 here, pretty much 3 pennies, get over the trend and break over this resistance it's been hitting. That's the first order of business, and you got to stay over 16. H bar. Hold on, I think I missed a super chat. Oh, we got flip coins for a $10 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. I appreciate that a lot. Oh, it's not on Coinbase. That's unfortunate. Terrible on Deck Screener. Treble, or whatever that is. Yeah, we're going to go to Deck Screener here in a minute. What is that on? Solana. We already got Mochi written down. Treble. Yeah, just tell me what it's on and we'll go over there in just a moment. It's on Uphold and Coinbase. I got terrible. My biggest holding right now is XCN. Someone sent me Tether to buy XCN. Well, that's right. Yeah, Cha came in here a couple of streams ago and sent me some Tether to buy in on XCN. And then I can't remember who it was, sent me Solana to buy that Souls coin, and it went to zero. Or it's going to zero. He says ACH. Yeah, Alchemy Pay. I can't look. I hate looking at the chart. I'm bullish on it right now, but I can't look at it. We'll do H bar in just a moment. But yeah, links. Oh. ACH looks like it's going to break out of this large triangle pattern. Right now, the volume is coming in and it's sitting in a very bullish looking bull flag. It just looks like it's about to break out of here. It could come back down to the bottom of the flag here, but ultimately you're holding right on the 0.5. It looks like once you break over the 618 here, this thing's gonna start moving. New candle, new hour candle is about to spawn in. as long as you're over 4.6, you're bullish. And then you can also see inside there, it looks like a, or it is, large W pattern inside the bull flag. Yeah, anyway, it looks like it wants to go. H bar sleeping. H bar still consolidating, I think. Yeah, H bar is in a real good setup here. It's not really doing anything. The same thing, I guess, with ACH, but on a larger time frame. Of course, that's the weekly here. Yeah, you can see on the weekly it's still in the pattern. So it looks like H bar is going to wake up once it gets back over 32, that 786 there. 618, same spot, and then the 786 at about 35. Once you get over 35, we should start moving up. But there's nothing wrong with H bar holding up in a bullish consolidation after the strong run. And then H bar, where's H bar going? $3. Dollar here for about a 4x, and then 1414 at 180. Probably $2 gets hit, the 70 billion market cap, and a 6x. But if H bar is going to perform well, could do a 10x up to $3. But you gotta always keep in mind it already ran that much, so maybe $2 is the target. But yeah, H bar doesn't look good. I mean, doesn't look bad. Yeah, we looked at XCN and Turbo. XCN's still in the same spot. I think it's just going to sit here until next week. I don't know. I would think people would start buying in on it because of the news coming out Monday. But no one's buying it yet. But ultimately, here on our fib, you're still holding the 382. So low to the high, it's still holding bullish. It hit the 618, bounced, holding the 382. So we're looking for a move like this on XCN if it's not going to die here. All the way up to this volume area in between 8 to 10 cents, I think, once it blows through 5.5, 786 on the macro here. Which is, it's a good move, but it's not a huge move. So if it ends up coming up to 10 cents, you get a 2.5 or 200% move. But we're still holding here. Yeah, and people get upset when I point out, I know all this news is coming out. I know you guys are bullish on it, but you can't ignore, which I said you can ignore this drop here. Someone got mad at that. There is a head and shoulders pattern on the chart. Even if you didn't look at the news, you would look at the chart and be like, oh, head and shoulders pattern, this thing's about to break down. Everyone I've seen covering XCN is bullish on it. They're talking about the news. They're talking about this thing going to crazy prices. But I try to point out to you guys everything we see. So far, you're holding bullish, but you do have this lingering, and we'll see what happens. But with that lingering there, you could just get a nice dip. One last dip to buy this thing, 786 maybe, and maybe even down to 17. Real quick wick down like it did back here, kind of like here, and then it goes to the moon. Turbo, last we looked at Turbo, she was holding up over the 618, I believe it was. Yeah, just looking at the monthly overall structure on the chart, higher highs and higher lows is holding, and low to the high, we hit the 618. So as long as you're over 5.3, that should be the bottom. And needs to get back over pretty much 007 to 078 to be bullish again. All right, we need to go over to Dex Screener. Uh, what do we got here? Let's see. Shipping. So Carlos. I've been telling you since about ACH, yeah. Yeah, I saw that. My dad was watching it. He was telling me about it. Because I knew about the other one that crashed, and then he calls me up and says there's another plane that crashed. And some kind of gas line exploded or something. I'm like, really? What's going on? Is there another one now? Kava. Hey, I'm trying to get through the chat here. Oh, we got Dave for 2. I didn't even see that. I appreciate that, my man. Entry price for ACH. SPA's gonna move like crazy. What's up, Tesla? XCN to the moon. XCN, where we at? Oh, we're on turbo. XCN, yeah, there's a big pennant pattern potentially on XCN. Okay, XCN and then ACH and then what date, what time frame? Yeah, we got so much on here, it's ridiculous. Pretty much been saying the same thing on XCN for the last week now. Get out of my way, get out of my way. But yeah, if you zoom out to like the daily, even the 4 hour, you can clearly see the strong move up. And this is why I say with the little head and shoulders pattern, it could bring the price down a little bit, maybe to the bottom of this here, which is a very bullish pennant pattern, just like it was back here. And get us one last chance to buy in down here, but maybe it doesn't go that low. It all depends on what time frame you're looking at. So short-term 4 hour time frame, we could have a little dip, but larger time frames, it just looks bullish. But when I first looked at ACH an hour or so ago, the volume was kicking in and she was just moving with a green candle. What are we on? 4 hour. We got it on the 4 hour. It looks really good here. This candle's still holding up. It looks like it's about to break out. Oh yeah, we had a new candle spawn in. Oh, let's go. Hour candles above. If we don't push the narrative too much and move this too much. Yeah, you're right. Right on the 618. But yeah, it looks like once this thing breaks over 47 here, this 618, it's starting to do it right now as we speak. She may be getting ready to fly out of here. But as you can see, this green candle, it held the 236 and then it's holding the 0.5. Now it's above the 618. It could very well come back down in here, but it doesn't look like it wants to. Depends on if you go with the candle bodies or wicks or whatever. You could still be in the pattern, getting stuck. So maybe the 618 is the trigger point. But that's all I can really tell you. It looks good here. Come on. Yeah, if I had Tether, if I had some Tether right now, I'd probably just throw it over there and go put it along and see what happens with a good stop loss. Yeah, if it dipped down, I would say at most it would hit 4 or 5 and then bounce up and go. But it's looking good where it is. Uh, did I miss another super chat? Let's see. XMW says Eldor. XMW crypto. I appreciate the 2. Well, on that previous candle, the volume was coming in. I was watching the volume just go up, but the candle was going up too. They just need everyone to pile into ACH right now so she can finally break out. I don't do it until I can try to get in somehow. Let's see. All right, what did you say? XMW. XMW, let's see. XMW. I don't know what that is. Yeah, we're gonna get over to Dex Screener in just a minute. XMW. Oh, what is this? This a Solana coin or something that you're trying to show? Morphware. It may look better on Dex Screener. Yeah, just let me know. Looks like Popcat. It's gonna give me nightmares. So, you guys watching the news? What crashed? Was it another airliner? Oh, it's an AI coin. This it on the screen, Eldor? Just let me know and we'll come back to it. If not, we'll look at it on Dex Screener. But yeah, we've looked at SPA multiple times. I guess SPA is the new ZBCN for today. But yeah, SPA is ultimately still getting stuck. If we go to the weekly candles, you can clearly see the candles are getting stuck. At the previous uptrend, turned to resistance, resistance, resistance. So keep it simple. As long as you're over 16, macro 3-2, you are bullish here, but it needs to break over the 0.5 at 2.8 or 3 pennies. Get over this trend, get over the 0.5, and then you're in a good spot to continue out into the 618 to officially break out. But SPA's a good one. SPA's on Coinbase, and it'll probably perform well. Yet again, SPA to 10 cents, a 200 million market cap, and a 5x. And then maybe we get this thing up to 40 cents. Would be a good 20x. And if it goes to the new high, 1272, 1.5 billion would be your 40x to about 80 cents. Morphware. Okay, yeah. Oh, some kind of plan they didn't figure it out yet. Yeah, that's tragic. Especially with that bigger plane. All those people on that plane died. Couldn't imagine. All right, so XMW and then Jasmy. Yeah, Jasmy's in a real good spot. Jasmy looks real macro bullish. All right, so this one, I don't know if I can do anything with it. Morphware. It's got a very odd chart. It's bullish, higher highs and higher lows here, so we'll see what's perspective real quick. On a small, tiny fib here. 3-day candles. Swinging back to the daily so we can see. But it looks like it came all the way up to the 2 here at 17.5 and got stuck. But good thing is, high, low, hit resistance, came all the way back down, and it's holding the high. So as long as you're over 63, 8.4 is the price to beat at the moment. But it just made the higher low, as we saw in the larger time frames. So maybe she's getting ready to go up to a higher high again. So you said an AI play, so this thing's possibly about to shoot up 200% into a 3x up to about 24 to 25 cents. Next leg up could go higher than that, could hit near 30. Not a bad one though. Man, why there's so many levels on this one? That is ridiculous. All right, let me fix that. I don't think I turned those on, did I? Okay, that's a little better. And if this one's going to rocket to the moon and hit $2 from where you are today, would be a 24.5x. Okay, now what? Jasmine real quick. Access, yeah. ACS is another one that pumped up, but it got instantly stuck. It's one I wanted to buy, but she's coming back down. But ultimately, yeah, you're still holding over the 382, as you can see there. You need to get back over 3.3, but ultimately it's got stuck perfectly. 382 hit 4.3 and just came back. But it still looks good here. It's still holding triple support. Low to the high 236, bullish short term. It's holding a macro 236. The bottom is in, and then this high area to the low, you have a 786 here. You're also holding. So the same thing XCN did. It set up here and just held for a little bit, and then XCN just went to the moon. But this one here, a nice spike up to the 786, $500 million market cap, 4.5x from where it is. Just hopefully it waits for me. And then possible new high on access would give you a 20x to a 2.5 billion market cap to 6.5 cents. Maybe it hits 10, I don't know. But the fact that it's on Coinbase and it's sitting pretty here, it looks good. And then Jasmine. Oh, Jasmine. I really wish Jasmine would have waited for me too. I just needed 1 million Jasmine coins so I could be a millionaire. I'd be happy with 100,000 Jasmine. If I had 100,000 Jasmine, just wait for my 100K to come in. Of course, I'd have to pay probably half of that in taxes, but it is what it is. But yeah, Jasmine ended up dipping below the 618. Inverse head and shoulders pattern here. It looks good. It held. It's back above the 0.5, so bullish over 3.5. And then once this thing gets over 4, especially 5 pennies on Jasmine, once Jasmine gets over 5 pennies, it's probably too late to buy in. Inverse head and shoulders pattern is going to play out. You're going to get a weekly close over the 3.25, and she's just going to spike out of here. But you do have a couple of targets. Would be 12, 270% move, and then the 30-cent range, 9.5x, maybe a little above for a 10x. But then we have our dollar here, which is slowly getting smaller and smaller in returns. So now 32x, 786 possible 50 billion market cap. Well, that may have changed, but they got all the coins out. They have a large community, Everything looks bullish on the Jasmy chart, so I don't see why it wouldn't go. All right, at some point we'll get over to deck screener here for you guys to leave. Oh, we got Ben for 5. I didn't even see that. Vara and Toshi, please, and thanks. Team Fox 2. Vara and Toshi. Yeah, we looked at Vara. I appreciate the 5. Vara's pumping, but ultimately it needs to get over. It held our support and she moved, but it needs to get over the 236 here. Add 3 pennies and hold pretty much with a monthly candle. But here on the 3-day, high to the low, you're getting stuck right now at the 0.5. So you're bullish over 22, needs to get over 24, possible breakout. This move down is over 2.7 here. But she's not looking bad. She is getting stuck at resistance at the moment. But if we zoom all the way out to the monthly, you can clearly see these monthly candles are getting stuck here. So if you want confirmation for a bottom end, get a good weekly candle over, or monthly rather, over 3 pennies. But not a bad move at the moment. Yeah, why do we have some coins pumping tonight? What's going on? Vara, Toshi, and yeah, I think we looked at Fox several times already, or at least once. Fox is another good one, Coinbase play. I don't like the price action here. I don't like the candles. I don't like the chart. Until it gets over the 0.5 and breaks this previous high back here, there's really nothing bullish on it besides the bottom being in, and it's all holding over the ultimate trend here. But it needs to get over the 382 at 8 to be bullish again. But ultimately, it's just going sideways. Not a bad Coinbase play, in my opinion. What is this? Oh, this is the Coinbase chart. Hopefully this is the whole chart. This thing, 786 retracement, it's a decent 8.5x, 46, maybe hit 50 cents for a 9x. And if you think Fox can hit 2 billion market cap this cycle, 350 would be a 64, 65x. All right, let me make sure I got 100K Jasmy is $3,500. Oh, never mind. I'll never get that much money before it takes off. I'd be lucky to get $1,000 in the next month. My coins just keep going to zero. All right, let me get over the deck screener. We got 3 coins to look at on deck screener now. Payday weekend, Pumpalicious. Yeah, I miss Jasmy. I should have been able to hold on to my Jasmy accumulation through the years, but wouldn't let me. All right, let me go over to deck screener while ACH goes to the moon. Let me switch this over. They're just slowly leaving. We got 80 people here. Everyone please hit the like button. We got 58 on YouTube and 20 on Twitter. That's surprising. There's usually a whole bunch of people on Twitter, but I guess it's Friday night, so no one cares. Deck screener. All right, what are we looking at? Toshi. Last time we looked at Toshi, it looks like the top is in. That's what we've been saying over the last couple of times we looked at it. And the other thing we pointed out is if you're still holding Toshi, thinking it's going to the moon, she's coming down still. It could possibly come all the way down, hit the 382, dropped 70%. So are you going to hold through a 70% drop? You're sitting right now above the 1414 at 001. So that's your support right now to hold. But that just looks like a top formation to me. But if it's not, you're just going to hold. Possible top of the fib here, 168%. So about a 2.5x if it starts to go again. But it doesn't look great. Once we lost that first support there, and you just lost a 0.5 at 1.1. But if it can get back over 117 and hold, that could be good. If this turns into a giant wick and we get a candle holding here, we could have some consolidation, especially on the smaller time frames here, and you could be extremely bullish for a future move up. But at the moment, it doesn't look great. Oh yeah, I gotta look at this one. Yeah, he sent me Solana to buy this coin, and it's gone down ever since. Still not bad. It just sucks buying in and then instantly the next day or so that half the money is gone already. But to be fair, it's still in a downtrend. It's not doing anything. Looks like it's coming back down to the bottom, maybe. Yeah, I'll get to the other one here in just a moment. I just want to see, give myself some hope if this thing's going to come back to life. I don't even know where to put this at. There's no wicks on those candles. So I've put it from the high to the low. It dipped below it here, but everything else seems to be holding. So maybe this is it. Anyway. But if this thing wakes up and comes alive, possible 6x. 007. What was the other coin? Mochi and Turbo. Mochi. Where's our Mochi chart? Mochi. Mochi's still holding up here. So did it break out of the little pattern, or is it? I guess it's still in it. We're just gonna have to adjust the situation here. All right, so it's still in this pattern, but it looks like it's having trouble holding support at 4. But ultimately, if you go down to the smaller time frames, it's still trying to consolidate in a panic pattern. So as of right now, it still looks bullish. And yet again, Mochi here, if it ever comes back from the dead, consolidation. Possible to move up. First target 1272 at 12 for a 245% move. So a decent little 3.5x. What was the other one? Come on. Terrible. I don't even know how to say this one. Did we spell that wrong? Oh no. Alright, let me go back and look. Let's see here. Yeah, who asked for this turbo coin? I don't even know if I'm spelling it right. I don't know if I wrote it down right. Oh man, I'm way behind on the chat. Baratoshi and Fox, I did that one. This ACH is gone. Is ACH really leaving, y'all? You put 3K in ACH an hour ago. Yeah, I don't know where this turbo coin went. I don't know where the chat went, so Yeah, it's because we're having coins go start moving. I don't know why. Now I got to get caught up on super chats that came in. Let's see. Okay, I did that one. Just enjoying the hobby for 5. I appreciate that. Thank you for the consistent crypto coverage. I appreciate that. I appreciate the support. I appreciate that a lot. We got Matthew 4-5 says, "What's that? BSOP, please." What is that on? BSOP. Is that a virtual? I'll write that down alongside whatever this terrible is or whatever the hell it is. BSOP. I'd imagine that's a virtual coin. All right, got those. It's getting busy in the chat. Shipping. Okay, yeah, shipping. I forgot. Stronghold. Shipping. Emilio says Soul. Love the music. Oh, yeah, I forgot to switch the music. Yeah, I'm trying to get caught up on the chat here and the super chats, so. All right. Yeah, if anyone knows what the terrible, whatever the hell it is, coin is, just someone type it. What is it? All right, BSOP on base. Are we on the small screen still? How do we get on the small screen again? BSOP on base. Oh, when did you buy this one? $2 million market cap. Whoa, 300,000 holders. Whoa. Let's see. I can't do much with this. She's just going to the moon. Oh, look at that. That's a thing of beauty if you bought the bottom. She came out, went sideways, and pretty much was just curling up, and then went to the moon. Curled up, went to the moon. Oh, man. This thing looks like it already topped out. It hit the top of the fib perfectly. What kind of damage did this thing do? If you bought in, well, hell, if you bought it down here and you just waited. Not too much, but not too bad either. Depending on where you bought it, you got a decent return. But yeah, came up and hit it exactly. But as of right now, it is holding over the 2414 at 2. Needs to break back over 22 and continue to run back up again. So if you can break over 222, the next stop up, it'll move back up 40% if it's going to continue to go here. It may repeat like it did back here, just come back down, consolidate somewhere, and then go again. Only 2 million market cap, yeah. It's got a ton of holders, so it may go way higher than this fib that we have drawn. But yeah, not a bad play, I guess. So it's at a 2 million market cap at 2. So if it hits a 10 billion market cap, I'll take it to a penny. Correct? All right, did we look at all the Dex Screener coins? Got in this morning. She's beautiful. Okay, let me see if I missed anything. Spell, Swift coin and shipping, I think. While we're on Dex Screener, just let me take a look. I'm always curious to see what Used Car and Billy are doing. So what's the deal? Is Drake still having his concert? Does anyone know? Oh, come on. Billy. Oh, where's flip coins? Billy's maybe found a bottom finally. Finally found the bottom. All right, come on, scroll faster. Snack and Carlo. Yeah, see Used Car. Where's that? Yeah, where's Win? Win is still holding up. Yeah, what is your guys' opinion on the Drake concert? If he really has the Anita Max Win Tour starting in February. This coin's starting to curl up at the bottom here a little bit. He needs to tweet something about Anita Max Win. Oh yeah, so my little $50 bag of Win can do 160x. That would be nice. Win, let's see. Yeah, Baby Brett we looked at. Where's Baby Brett? Brett Sky we looked at last night. Yeah, where's that other one we're holding, Dave? What was it called? I haven't even looked. GoFundMe. Oh, yeah, this one's still holding up. This one still has a chance. I'm still holding my little bag. $30 bag. What are we looking at here? Yeah, we'll get back over there in just a moment. But there's so many different coins, and especially on Dex Screener, it's hard to pick, I guess, a winner. Maybe that's why I can't do it. Yeah, where's Baby Bread? I thought we looked at it. I'll just type it in. Baby Bread on base. This one, there's two of them. Yes, it's the first or the second one here, or the third. Oh, that's Solana. First or second. Let me write these coins down. Spell. Shipping. I think someone said XCN again. I don't think there's been one ZBEC network. Oh, let's see. What's up, Crypt? Welcome back. How you doing? You got XCN Bro back. How's it going, my man? Check out Hood. Apparently they say it's the Robin Hood coin. Hood. Alright, I don't know which one it is. I guess it's this one. Oh yeah, we looked at it. This is it. 44K market cap, not bad. 2,000. This one could be a good play. Baby Brett. Really low market cap. 8 zeros, 5.5. That's what you want to see. Hasn't done anything yet. Financial advice, but once you get over 8 zeros, 8.7, bottom is in, and bullish over 7 zeros, 1.8. But the big question is, if you're going to throw $50 at this thing or 100, whatever it's going to be, surely not thousands of dollars. They're not all going to go up, but man, how can you ignore this? Just throwing $50 at it. You could possibly wake up, or you could miss it on a large wick, but a 380x almost. Baby Brett. Spell, shipping, and XCN is what I got wrote down. Second baby. Okay, yeah, we got it. Yeah, Baby Brett's a good one. Yeah, what is Hood on? Holding 58 billion, Baby Brett. I hope it 300x's for you. Hopefully it doesn't do it in the middle of the night while you're sleeping. Someone said that a while back. They missed out on a huge gain because the coin just kind of wicked up overnight and then went back down. Let's see. Toshi is ripping, is it? It looked dead a minute ago. Baby Brett website on X, and yeah, it doesn't exist. Yeah, there's another coin I looked at. There's a big coin that they got banned from X, but there's still a lot of big people holding it. A lot of big people talking about it. That one that dude brought up in here that time, that Retardio one. Yeah, Baby Brett looks good. Yeah, this Retardio. What is this one? Is this the 1000x play? Yeah. Yeah, look at this one, Dave. And whoever else, Matthew. Whoever buys these coins. Retardio on Solana. Apparently that guy he was talking about that's going to become the first meme coin billionaire. He has a lot of people talking about this one. Not a bad looking chart here. It looks like that chart we just looked at on that BSOP. Just curling up here and then it's just going to go to the moon. But yeah. 1300x to the top here. Could you imagine? That would be nice. 1000x Retardio. I have no idea what the circulating supply of Baby Brett is. We got Crypt for 2. I appreciate that. I know not to bring up Zbeck, but I think it's sleeper. Yeah, I actually did a video on it today on the channel. But yeah, I looked at their website and stuff. It looks like it's going to be something. Too bad it's not on Coinbase for a good rollover play. It has a really good looking chart. XCN of 60x Monday, it will skyrocket. You think it's going to 60x on Monday? Hood. But yeah, this coin here, I mean, how can you pass up a chance for a possible 1000x play if there's some bigger people that know about meme coins better than I do, at least? They're talking about it, so I need something to pump so I can put some money in on some of these coins. No guarantees. Hood, Robinhood coin. This one that just came out, I guess, Robinhood. Hood on Solana. Besides that wick, it's still kind of, that's a very bullish looking chart. I don't know what this is when it came out. 65 million market cap, 51,000 holders. $3,000 rockets to 180 flags. That's what I always like to look at, the comparison. Yeah, you may be right. This could be a good one. I don't know what it is, but, well, I know what it is, but Hood. This is hour candles, by the way, so it's very new. Yeah, I just need a good stash of Solana, and I could just throw 20, 30, 40, $50 at these coins, just see what happens. High to the low, you're holding above the 0.5. Once you get over the 618 at 15, possible breakout. And then Hood, 1272 new high. 100% move almost. Let's see if we're going to hold this to gamble to the top. Yeah, that's not a big move really on a meme coin if it's going to rocket. About a 6x to 008 to begin with. But yeah, Hood. Everyone is talking about X. What does that mean? What is Z-Bag? Z-Bag, is that a coin? All right, yeah, I'm slowly writing these coins down. Moonchain. I think we looked at that before. Just from what I see scrolling through the chat real quick. Let me see. I think I got another super chat I got to cover. Oh, no, that was Crypt. Okay. Yeah, we'll get back over there in just a minute. Oh, it was launched when they were live yesterday. All right, so it is the official Robinhood coin. So this is another probably good one to get in on. Like I keep saying, but not with a lot of money. But oh, it's the #1 trending coin too. All right, let me get back over here. Oh, you mean the Z-Bag coin? Oh, if you go look at their website, it may be actually something. I think they're involved in RWA, and I don't even remember now from what I looked at earlier, but everything looked bullish. AI, if I remember correctly. Like I said, too bad it's not on Coinbase. How did we get to the small screen again? Let's keep doing that. All right, so let me scroll through some of these coins real quick. What are we on? All right, let me switch to music first. All right, let's see here. All right, we got the right screen up. Someone said spell. Let's knock out spell and Swift coin again. Coins that aren't doing anything. Yeah, how's ACH performing? Spell. All right, so looking at spell here, made the higher high, hit the 382, got stuck. Just keep it simple. You need to get over 20382 to continue the run here. And if we draw low to the high here, it needs to stay over 1.4. And then if we pull this up to this pullback low to the high, 1.34 be your 382. You can see that wick is holding. So 1.34 up to 15. If not, this could be a top. Made the higher high. So it all depends on what's going on in the market. If this thing's going to continue to run, if you fall below 1.3 on spell, let me bring that back up. Then I keep saying this. You could just do what Velodrome did a couple weeks ago, and just things could just crawl their way back all the way to the trend. If alt season's not going to kick in for another month or whatever it's going to be, we'll see what holds. But ultimately, as long as you're over the 236 here, the bottom is confirmed in over 1, bullish on the macro over 2. Yeah, it's starting to come down. Last time you formed this little pullback, what is it called? Oh, my mind went blank. The falling wedge, and it went. Now this time it tried to form a bull flag on the 4-hour, but now it's just looks like somebody squeezed it too hard. It's shooting out of a little bitty hole. But Swift coin, hopefully for the last time. Swift coin right now, you can see, is hitting the 1618 at about 4 pennies. So the price to beat right now is 4. You got a daily candle over it, and you're holding, it looks like, on the daily. So if the daily candle can potentially hold, maybe it's going to hold. But on the larger time frames, it looks like it's getting stuck with a wick over, as you can clearly see. So I would say maybe a 3-day candle close over it could confirm over 4 that it's going to continue to run. If not, the only other thing we can do, low to the high, then 236 needs to hold at 2.6 to stay bullish. So 2.3 up to 2.6 for Swift coin to stay bullish here. I won't draw it because I won't remember why I put it there. And then ultimately, if you can push through 4, the next couple of stops are 10, 20, 50, and $1. So it looks like definitely you're going to hit this level here at 10. So that's a given. 20 cents for almost a 2 billion market cap for a 5x, and then possibly 50 cents for a 13x, almost a 4 billion market cap. And then maybe this thing is going to hit $1. $1.25 would give you a 31, 32x here on Swift. But she's trying to push here. With a lot of things starting to push, it looks like we should be on the cusp of some sort of market. What did we say, Z-Mag? Oh, here, I got that. Oh, we got 50 people in here. That's nice. What was the other one we wrote down? Moonchain, XCN. Yeah, XCN's still holding. It's doing nothing. XCN. We went over this earlier. On the daily chart, you're in another pivot pattern once again. So that is bullish. If you zoom in, short term, we're still holding the 382 low to the high. As you can see, if I can move this, so this 32.9, 33 needs to hold. Breakout possible over 38, but she's just kind of dead in the water right now, doing nothing. If the bearishness is going to kick in here, which you go to the higher time frames, we're in that flag pattern, we could have a little breakdown here. So I'll give you one last time to buy in on on XCNs, and we would still hold the pattern even with the wick down. So I'm looking at the 618 here possible. So if it drops down to 2.5, we'll still hold the ultimate pattern and you'll get a little discount. Any lower than that, then we may have a problem. Then the head and shoulders pattern could come into play. So in other words, XCN is holding. It looks good. There's bullish stuff all over the place for it. Bullish news everywhere. And if you zoom out, it doesn't look bad. Not too shabby looking on XCN as you zoom out. But I think if it does run again, it's going straight to 5 cents and then 10 cents. But yeah, Z back here. Completely going sideways. You're over. This thing has the narrative it needs, and it's holding, I think, triple support, just like XCN did. And ACS 236, low to the high 236, and then ultimate low to the high 0.5. So as long as you're over this 1-0 level, all this support, it looks good where it is. Bottom is in over the 236, and then bullish over 382. But the fact that this is going sideways forever, it's probably going to have a huge run, especially with the narrative that it has. And I think someone commented on the video, this thing's going to 20 cents. So our target, I have $1 billion market cap up to $0.015. So they were saying anywhere from 15 to 20 cents on this thing. So where's that going to take us? Eek. All right, so if you can hit 50 or five pennies, that's going to give you a 43x on this thing. All right, the people calling for 20 cents. All right, yeah, they're looking for a moonshot 200x. Could be the case. Do your own research. Wish Swift would keep pumping. Yeah, I wish everything would keep pumping. He says, never mind. Spell check get in your way. Oh, let's see here. But yeah, that one. And what else? Oh, yeah. Magic Network. No, Moonchain. Why did I say Magic Network? Yeah, whatever happened to Magic? I don't know what Moonchain's ticker is, so I'm just going to type it in. Moonchain. MXCL. Down here on the bottom, getting stuck at the 236, so just keep it simple. High to the low, it needs to get over 417. It's technically there right now, but it still looks like it's getting stuck. You can see those weekly candles getting stuck there. And then bullish over 81, and then breakout where it got stuck here, over 2 pennies. But whatever this is, if it's ever going to come alive, there's no clear bottom on it, I don't think. Well, yeah, I guess there's a bottom back here. Let me zoom out. Oh yeah, she just hit the bottom. Time to go to the moon, I guess. About a 7.8 or 6.18 retracement to 5.5x, and then a 7.86 to 5 pennies. If you think you can make it up here, which is possible, just looking at the chart here. 12x, and if you think it's going to hit a new high, 47 to 50 cents. Oh man, I guess that's your moonshot, 112x. Let's see. News and Media Network. What's up, Jappy? It's only listed on one exchange. Is that true? That's what I said. It needs to be on Coinbase. Media Network and News. Coinbase coins that have potential for returns, low coin total. Let's see. What am I looking for here? Yeah, we've covered media before. I'll write those two down real quick. News, media. He says nice music. Why is he dancing? we're getting more people in here. Oh no, we're getting more people on Twitter. Oh yeah, ton. Someone said, I think, or Telcoin. What is Telcoin? Telcoin. This thing. Oh, she's not looking too bad. Little strong move up, a little bull flag forming over the 382 at 4.5. This thing could be getting ready to go. Doesn't look bad. Once it breaks over 7.6 here, I can zoom anything in. Yeah, going sideways here, it looks good. 786 retracement up to 2.5 would give you a 300% move. I never did get my water. I don't know how I'm pushing through. A new high on this one would be 20 cents for a 30x. Yeah, it's overall curled up, higher highs and higher lows here. Looks like she's getting ready to go. Oh, come on, Muse. Let's see what Muse is doing. Low supply, you said, on this one? I guess we've looked at it good in the past. I don't know. Ultimately going sideways, just lost support at the 382, so you're no longer bullish over below 1160 there. The short term, you're right on the 618, it looks like. So support right now is 947. If you can hold that, you should bounce right back up over the 382. You can see it's been holding for weeks, so it doesn't look bad. Any lower than that, then it will send you back down to the 236 at 6 here and drop about 35%. But yeah, if it has a low supply and it's on Coinbase, it could be a good play. A new high on this one would give you a 53x if I can get anything to work. That's probably about correct. Could be, but I don't know. That would take you up to $500 though. I don't know if that's possible, but media. Yeah, we haven't looked at media in a while. But it's like I keep saying, there's so many coins out there now. Just be careful what you buy. So many coins. The majority, I think I saw someone talk about this. Majority of coins from the past bull runs are coins that went up and you never heard of again. I don't remember who said that. Yeah, this one's pumping right now. Media is above the 0.5. It held the ultimate trend, held the 382. So next stop up is about $30. So she should move up another 30%. And if it can get a weekly close over that, you'll be in real good shape. 618 over 30, possible breakout at that point. And then media network. Damn, where's this thing going to? We're dreaming. Moonshot to $3,000, 135x. 480 to $500 would be a 22x. Yeah, this must have a very low circulating supply. You also got to check the coins. If they have a lot of coins releasing over this year, then I probably wouldn't even touch it. But a new high 183 would be an 8x. heard that MOG coin goes to 305. I don't know if that's up or down. MOG. Oh, that's up. Yeah, MOG is overall holding the trend, holding up. I know it looks extremely messy here, but you're holding the 0.5, you're holding the trend right now. If you break down below this, what you already wicked, it looks good here, but if it breaks down, it breaks down. It'll probably fall off the table like Myro and everything else if this little trend does not hold. But you said 305. That's a large move. We have the top of the fib here at 3015, 58 to 60 billion market cap for 77x. I mean, just where the chart is, it looks like it looks like once it turns bullish again, it's just going to shoot up here. 403 and a 20x. But yeah, MOG coins on Coinbase, not a bad one. These coins on Coinbase are going to run hard probably. CTX. CTX moving too. All these little Coinbase coins are waking up. Yeah, these coins are starting to go, or at least wake up. So CTX here, maybe it's gunning for the higher high, just like Swift Coin. So you could have this thing do another 100% move to 970 here, wick a little above, hit 10 bucks, and then sell off. So we'll see. First choice or first pick, you got to get over 6 here. So 25% move. If the chance comes and you do make a lower high off of that high, then it could tell you it's just going to drop back down. Excuse me. But right where that candle is getting stuck at is the 236 low to the high, 481.7. Yeah, if she can push through this level here, maybe she'll keep running. But that weekly candle's getting stuck right now. Thinking about selling your Toshi for V4. Yeah, it's a good return if it goes to that 301 level. There's no guarantee it'll go that high, but I hope it does for you. All right, let me see here real quick. So what are we looking at? Yeah, CTX is a good one on Coinbase also. Yeah, Bitcoin's not doing anything. All right, how long have we been on here? 2 hours. We got 89 people in here. Everyone, please hit the little heart like button for me. We're cruising to 12,000 subs. It's crazy. 50 on YouTube. Let me go check the chat. I mean, the whatever it's called, the poll. Let's see. I don't even remember what I asked on the poll. Yeah, there's videos all over YouTube. XCN, 50 cents, $1, $10, $5. So is ACH still running? We'll probably never get back over there to look at it. Let's see. All right, that's done. Oh, okay, that was the pole. All right, back over to StreamYard. What are we looking at? AOS looks good. Yeah, AOS has been holding up well. But I'm going to put it on the AOS chart. I'm going to go get me some water. I got to go take a little break. I'm going to go call my son real quick. So I'll be back in 5 minutes or so. Maybe a little longer. But yeah, AOS is in a good spot here. Tight little, or I'd say tight, but it's on the weekly. Little bull flag pattern. AOS performs well when it consolidates. Consolidates. So maybe the next run up sends you to $4, hopefully. On IOS, AOS, however you say this thing. 5x out of here. Yeah, AOS doesn't look bad at all here. All right, let me put it on ACH. I want to see what ACH is doing because as soon as I saw it earlier, like I said, I was bullish on it. Did it really start leaving? Because I really wanted to put a long on it, but I guess it's just not happening. Let's see. One hour chart on ACH. Oh, she did break out. And it sucks that she got stuck right at the 786 and pulled right back. You're holding over 4.7 though. Hour candles, 4 hour. Oh man. So I guess she did break out, I guess, unless we want to push the narrative and say no, but so it looks like if you come back down to 4.6 here, the 0.5, you should back test and hold and then go right back up. But yeah, ACH looks good here. Just needs people to pile into it to get it going. Yeah, $10 is outright baiting. It's ridiculous. Is anyone else having Coinbase issues? I don't know. Oh man. PNG. Oh, the wrong PNG chart. Let's go to the PNG real chart. Yeah, what are you guys and gals doing on a Friday night besides listening to me yammer about coins? Nothing. Yeah, PNG still holding strong. This 0.5 level, you can see it's been holding for a very long time. Same little formation. This is where ABT is right now. ABT is going to do the same thing. She's just lagging. But PNG, as long as you're over 23, it looks good here. Let me pull this down just a hair. And then maybe PNG hits $6 over the previous high and does a 25x from today. And your moonshot would be $26 for a 5.7 billion market cap and 115x. So just pick your poison. Where do you want it to go? It's definitely coming up here. $1.30 for a 5.5x, but she's holding strong here. All right. Yeah, we're gonna have to look at why are the coins starting to pump now? Is the dominance really falling? All right, all right. Let me. Are there people in here? Let me point this out real quick. We've been covering the dominance for a while now, and I watched. Who did I watch? I can't remember. But he pointed this out, so I'm gonna start using it now. I have to remember who it was so I can shout him out. He's got a big channel though. But yeah, the dominance here, we've been breaking down. So we made this lower low here, and the reason we're not in alt season yet is because of this little move up on the dominance. But ultimately, it looks like a slightly lower high, so it looks like it's flipping bearish on the dominance. So at any moment, if it hasn't started already, alt season looks like it's starting. It's right there. So this thing out of this channel finally is flipping bearish with the lower highs and the lower low. So if we get another move down like this, that could tell us. And then this tells us there's no alt season yet, because what are we looking at? Let me go to the monthly, see if we see this better. Yeah. So if you can see this, the total market cap, the total crypto market cap has not broken the high yet. Come back here. Bitcoin broke its high before the halving this year, and Bitcoin's been going up. So this also tells us there's no alt season, but it looks like we're trying to break it right now. The little green monthly candle spawned in. It's like flickering there if you can see it. So once this red line breaks here at about 103 trillion, that's going to confirm alt season here, along with the Bitcoin dominance dropping. And then for Ethereum moving, looking at Ethereum, if we look at it here on non-log, you can see this a lot better. Ethereum just hit the bottom of this large channel here. And this is the Ethereum against Bitcoin. So low to the high, it just also hit the 786 perfectly, that final support right at the channel. So that tells me it's time to go up. Right at this large red box is just macro support and resistance area. So it hit the bottom, it hit the 786, it hit the bottom of the channel. Now it's time to go up and break out and go against Bitcoin. And that's also going to tell us, it looks like once we get over this 618 at about 4.3, alt season is in play. But yeah, I mean, here on our Bitcoin chart, where's the halving? Yeah, see, Bitcoin from the previous high broke right before the halving, and then that's why we're going up with Bitcoin and the dominance. So as soon as the total breaks this high here, it looks like it's trying to right now. So we're right on the brink. We're right on the brink of alt season. Maybe that's why we're seeing coins wake up. Just wanted to point that out. But yeah, I think ETH against Bitcoin just bottomed. It's time to go up. Ethereum itself is not looking too bad. It's in a very good bullish setup. It's holding over the 382. But yeah, I think we're about to go up. What did you say? I'm looking at you. What does that mean? Just chilling and trading. Grilled some ribeyes and oyster. Oh man, that sounds good. Let the BTC dominance collapse, yes. Junior's at work and watching. All right, let me switch this some, and then I gotta go take my little break. We've been over 2 hours already, and we'll see what happens here. But yeah, we'll look at some more coins. But yeah, all those things are are telling us that alt season's about to kick off. What are we looking at? Oh, we're still looking at the dominance. But those three things there tell us that we're right there. What did someone say is pumping? More about Mog Coin. Mog Coin to the moon. ULTI is pumping. I don't know what that is. ULTI token. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Is this it? I guess it's pumping on the smaller time frames. Multiverse token. I don't know what this is, but it looks horrible. Just keep it simple. It's pumping, but there's no bottom confirmed until back over 007. All right, I'll leave it here. Let you guys look at this thing go to zero. I don't know what it is, but it is pumping right now. All right, I'll be right back. Give me 5 minutes or so. You'll just hang out. If everyone leaves, it's good. We'll just end the stream if I come back and we're bearish again. It's the first one. Five, 2, 4, 9. Well, if it's the first one, there's nothing I can do with that. It's just gibberish on the 4-hour chart. But there's this one. All right, I'll be right back. You guys behave for a moment. Alright, we're back. Oh, we still got 80 people, 40 people on YouTube, 38 on Twitter. Let's see. What are we looking at here? Oh yeah, this coin that's pumping. SPA's going off. SPA and Swift are going up. Yeah, they seem to be the coins of the day that we keep looking at. Yeah, I just can't wait for alt season to be here. Even if I'm not in the market in alt season, it's still going to get a bunch of people in here. We're going to have to make it only super chats, only to look at coins, which will be nice. Get my revenue up. Because when we have these little baby pumps like this, you know, we get more people in here. And on top of that, I want you guys to make money. But yeah, SPA still needs to break over 2.8 here. Break over the trend. And then Swift coin to $1. Oh, she is moving. So if you can stay over with the weekly candle here and not turn into a wick, you'll be in good shape here. Oh yeah, you got a daily close over to the moon. To the moon for Swift coin, over 4 pennies. That's good to see. No guarantee she's going to stay up there though, just keep that in mind. Yeah, not looking too bad on Swift coin at the moment. So many coins look like they're ready to go. So this one, if we can stay over 4, 10 is next, it looks like. 143% move on Swift coin. Oh, that we forget shipping. I forgot about that Lady T. Swift coin. I mean, not Swift coin. Shipping. Yeah, shipping's still not doing anything. It's consolidating nicely here over the 382, so that's good to see. So this one, another Coinbase coin, maybe the next one up. Consolidation hasn't done anything. It needs to get over 1.3, and then ultimately the previous trend where it keeps getting stuck at, especially if we look on the weekly. You can see it's clearly getting stuck here. That'd be nice if the alt season just started this weekend and everything just started going. But yeah, those are your prices to beat, and then pretty much 2 pennies, 618, and that's your breakout point. 300% move to the 786 would be a 4x to 4. And 100% move to get up to the level you need to get to here. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. Consolidation over the 382 looks good. Can you imagine when we look back on this and we have these giant candles that spawned in on everything? Hold on. Yeah, there's nothing better than ice cold water. So refreshing. But yeah, Shipping doesn't look bad. 10 cents tonight, I hope. That would be nice. Like I said, I want you guys to make money. ACH will be at 60 cents before we know it. Is she trying to push here? Oh, she is pushing. Where's all the ACH moon boys at? Pile them into the live stream here. Let's get this thing running. 5.2 million in volume. Volume's going up. SPL says Ethereum. Cloud9 says bonk. Damn, I can't believe I missed this move on ACH. Yeah, if she can get over 5 pennies, which she just made a slightly higher high from these highs, so that's good. Bonk and Ethereum. But yeah, I think the ETH Bitcoin pair bottomed. So once that thing starts to go up, Ethereum has still been holding bullish over here. Low to the high, it's been holding the 382, looks good. Ascending triangle pattern in play. ETH looks like it wants to blow out of here soon. But yeah, as long as ETH is over 31 or 3200, needs to get back over 3375 and then ultimately 4. And once it breaks over 4, then $7,000 to $10,000 I think is in play for Ethereum. Bonk. Bonk still in the channel, holding up over the 0.5. Yeah, Bonk hasn't done anything yet. Oh, excuse me. But low to the high, 0.5 is holding. As long as you're over 23, 29 at the 382 to be bullish is back in play. And then back to the top of the channel here for Bonk. And hopefully a breakout at some point. But 190% move potentially back up to the top. Yeah, shoulda, coulda, woulda, I guess. I should have just put all my XCN into an ACH long. Damn. Yeah, we just looked at SPA. SPA's moving a little bit. And Swiftcoin's the winner at the moment. Swiftcoin and ACH are moving. Do we need to put on some more bullish music? Let me see. I don't know what we have here. Gotta learn how to hold. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I think this music's a little more bullish. Oh, we got some consolidation going on the 1 hour or the 1 minute. Yeah. I think it's a lot funner looking at the 1 minute chart. Oh, you're losing calories dancing to the music, and my portfolio dances too. I'm glad you're happy. How long did it take to read charts? Just over the years. It's a lot to learn, but I don't even know it all. It's going to get a lot easier as the year goes, as long as we stay bullish. We're just going to stay to the moon. To the moon, to the moon, to the moon. But yeah, like with XCN, we've been watching forever. Now everyone's talking about XCN. But yeah, XCN we've been talking about, and they finally went. Algo. Eighth into fist at 28. Can we see it? Yeah, we forgot to look at that one. XCN is far from done. Yeah. Did we just look at this? Oh, yeah, we have two charts. Yeah, this one's in a bullish setup just like ACH pretty much. I mean, if you just draw the large triangle pattern on the chart, this one will take off at some point, but you got in at 28. Could have been the bottom. Yeah, low, high, 786 came into play, and Should go up from here. Back over pretty much 40, confirm the bottom, and then 64, 65, 382, possible breakout from this thing, just as ACH is doing here. Maybe you'll get your giant ACH candle back to the top and it'll start breaking out. But yeah, this one, 618 retracement, not bad. 4.5x to $1.40, 250, 260, 8.5x, and then your moonshot all the way up to 13, 14, maybe $15. 43.5, maybe a 45x if it hits 15. But yeah, not just another one that's just the bear market set it up for the bull run. Is this one on Coinbase? I'm just gonna have to go through the Coinbase list and just look at everything. So if I ever make any money, I'll start rolling over into these plays. Yeah, this is not a bad looking chart at all. Swift, honestly wish I got more long ago. Put about $25 in on a whim, and now it's around 3K. That's nice, my man. You can't beat that, a $25 investment. I did the same thing in the early days of Cardano. I put, it was either $6 or $12, one of those, and bought a bunch of coins for a very low price, and I ended up making about I think $3,800 on Cardano. I wish I would have bought way more, but yeah, I understand that. And now here we are, and I can't buy anything because I'm broke. Life is funny. Life is crazy. Yes, and it has a 94 pi ratio. That's good. Okay, let's switch the music up, I guess. Yeah, that's not a bad looking chart at all. Where you at? Come on, I'm trying to find something. Yeah, I guess that's why we've been talking about these coins today. They're bullish. Arrow's flipping bullish. Mog is going back up. We looked at that. Ethor. Yeah, Swiftcoin and Qtum. However you say that. Biggest winners right now, it looks like. Where's ACH? I guess she hasn't really moved that much yet. ACH is not on the radar yet. You put 5K in Swift at 2.2. Nice. $33 million market cap. What's up, D-Clan Wyatt? He says, smash the like button. I appreciate that. I need something to pump a lot before rent is due tomorrow. Oh man, spa again. Uh, but yeah, that's not a bad chart at all. Spa. Yeah, Spa's still not doing anything. She's trying to move, but you're in business once you get over 2.8 here. This 0.5, if you get up over this, then you guys can scream Spa. Yeah, you're bullish short term over the 382 at 2, so we'll see if it can hold and push over 2.8 or 3 pennies here. Banners. Oh, I'm reading the wrong thing. There we go. There's your bullish music. Oh, she's going. Oh, ACH is going. Yeah, why are we so bullish right now? What are we coming up on? Can't see anything. She's about to make a run to the 618, huh? Oh, it's right at that high. That's what that line was. Yeah, we have a Discord. It's in the description on the channel homepage. But I only go check it just every, like, once a week just to kick people out that are scamming people. I'm old. I don't understand Discord. It feels like there's just a bunch of random people in there, and then people try to scam each other. Everything's pumping. Litecoin is too now. Yeah, I covered Litecoin today. Render. ACH is going and Render's pulling, or Swift is pulling back. He says bull run is over, sell everything. Swiftcoin is doing good. You didn't invest in ACH, really? Lots of scammers in Discord every week. Yeah. And it's just, I mean, we have one, but it's just too much. I don't have time to do the videos, do the live streams, mess with everyone in Discord. I actually don't even see the point in it. I guess it's good if all you guys were in here, if all the regulars were in there and you guys chat, you guys have a place to chat all the time. But I think if that's the case, if you guys go join the Discord, it's free, by the way. I don't care. But I'd have to make some of you moderators or something so you can kick the spammers out when they spawn in. Flipcoins is still here. Good stream, bruv. I appreciate that. What did we want to look at? What's up, RH? Render. Oh, is she pushing through? Oh, she pushed through. That's a real good sign. Just that, I missed the law on it, man. Let's see, what am I trying to get? Oh, this is a real good spot for this thing to be in. Next big resistance is the 618 at 5.6. Render. Yeah, where's OG Jerry? He hasn't been here in a while. Is his Litecoin really pumping? Yeah, Render looks good, especially looking on the monthly. But yeah, Render has a similar setup as Jasmy, inverted head and shoulders pattern here. Only a matter of time, excuse me, before this one breaks out. Just like Jasmy though, I mean, they're not going yet. Still holding over the 382 at 585. Yeah, looks like once you break over 10 over the 786, that's when you're going to start going. Yeah, there's nothing looking bad on Render so far. Held the 618, as you can see, low to the high at 550. And potentially when this thing breaks over the neckline of this thing, possible $37 is in play, 1414. $5x, more than that, it came down. 6.5x out of here. And then $75 would give you a 12.5x. Render. Yeah, Render's a good one too to roll over money into if you have the money to do it. If you make money on something, let it pump to your target, get out, get into something else. Well, with these coins pumping now, hopefully my videos are doing good. People are getting on there searching Litecoin and ACH, and because I just made the video on ACH hours ago, right before we got on the stream. ACH is about to pump, so it's good it played out. Yeah, Litecoin right now is getting stuck at the 0.5 at 130. Potentially about to break over. A new monthly candle spawned in. The new month of candles spawned in, and we're bullish now. Next stop is 170 for LTC. But yeah, XCN's still in a very large pennant pattern. It still looks good. It may break down a little bit, but ultimately it'll probably start going again this week. And if they pile in like they did last time, we'll see. Access protocol. Yeah, she came up and got stuck and came back down. We got Junior for 5. I appreciate that. Yes, thanks for doing the TA on ACH earlier. I appreciate the 5. Debating whether to get out of Swift and go into ACH, and Swift already pumped. The ACH is already pumping though. Just got in hours ago in that little pattern. I appreciate the 5, my man. Alright, let me switch this song before we go to this one. Not that. Yeah, ACS is still ultimately, still looks good to me. It's still bullish. It pumped up. It got stuck right at the 382. I'll go back to the weekly here. As you can see, we've been watching it here for these weeks, holding triple support just like XCN did. So this could tell us it's waking up here, even though it's sold off instantly. But yeah, next stop up is 4.3, and then once you get over that, yeah, this is a good one. Coinbase coin hasn't moved yet, but I don't think it's going to wait for me. I'm about to catch something on the bottom. But I want to be able to put something in it more than just $100, $200. I want to get back in the market like I used to be back in the day. I want to be able to put 5K on a coin like this and just let it run up and do a 5, 10x. But yeah, this one here, 786 retracement to a penny and a half, $500 million market cap, 4.5x. And then possible moonshot, maybe not a moonshot, I don't know, it's only a 20x. I mean, a 20x is a lot, but up to 6.5. But as long as you're over this 236 at 2.8, you're holding triple support, low to the high 236, macro 236, high to the low 786, just like XCN was doing. What is that annoying song? What's up, Harlem? Turbo? No, I think Turbo bottomed out at the 618 at that 5.3 level. It could come back down to 4, but I think 5.3 was it. OXT looking good. OXT to the moon. Wait, is this Malice's coin? I can't remember. I don't know if Crypto Mealysis, if you're listening or not. I know you're on vacation. I think OXT is your pick, your baby. Yeah, she's potentially moving up here, about to break out. So what's the reason we're flipping bullish here? What's going on? Is it just that time? Someone just randomly hit the switch and it's go time? Someone said, screw it, let's just let them have some money. Yeah, if you can stay over the 0.5 at 1.1 and then 12.5 here, possible breakout on OXT. OXT's pushing. Damn, I guess we can't end the stream anytime soon. So Charles. Doja on Mars looks like it wants to fly. Yeah, Elon's a good pick too. Yeah, at the beginning of last year, I had $5,000 on Elon. But yeah, I mean, it's not really moving at the moment. But Yeah, Elon needs to get over the double 382, and then you're in good shape. Short term and then long term bullish over 3-4 here. But it's kind of just going sideways, consolidating right now. AXGT. Toshi. Yeah, we did Toshi. I think the top is in for Toshi, unless she's bumping again. We got Mist Flasher for 5. I appreciate that. ACH just hit 5-4. Did it really? What did you say? I appreciate the 5. Yeah, ACH is starting to go to the moon. AXGT. Let me look at that real quick. Are we getting more people in the live stream now that everything's starting to pump on a Friday night? This thing, Axon Dow, still looks bearish. You're potentially trying to hold the trend here, but it keeps going down. But as long as you're over the 382 at 21.5, maybe this is it. Could be one of the coins that breaks down, I don't know. RSI is below 50, so the momentum is clearly down right now, 3-day chart. And we just had a bearish cross on the moving averages. So it's either going to hold or it's going to break down more. If we can get back over 2.8 and then possibly 3.8 here. But very well could be the bottom. Or you could say that was the trend because there's a lot more touches and we just broke it. I could tell you along with the indicators there that it's going to break down more. Oh man. ACH. Yeah, ACH is going. Not going yet, but if it can get over the 618, maybe this thing will start flying. But she's breaking through all the little lines we put on the chart. I just put 50 more on Myro just in case. It's the bottom end on Myro. Did I miss something? Oh no, I got that super chat. Oh man. Toshi. Man, we looked at Toshi last night and we looked at it today again, and it's been looking like a top is in. It hasn't ran since a little bit now. So who asked for Toshi? It's starting to break down below. Let me zoom this out. The support at the 1414 at 10, you can see it starting to drop, but that looks like it topped. It looks like Toshi's done for a little bit. But we pointed that out yesterday. And if we go low to the high on Toshi, yeah, 618 may hold. So maybe the 618 at about 9 to 9.4, this area. So as long as you're below that support level on Toshi, yeah, it's going to drop another 10-11% here. If you can see that. I don't know why it keeps putting it on the... Yeah, Toshi did go up pretty good. But I keep telling you guys, man, you gotta take profit on these things. I learned from the past, there's no way I'm going to hold anything to anywhere. Unless I had the extra money, I would hold Jasmine to $1. But ACH is waking up on its way to 60, 50, 60 cents. She's moving. Look at it. Oh. ACH is pushing. Alright, I gotta take off deck screen or my computer's getting too slow. Oh, come on. Oh, what are we looking at? Oh yeah, we got 99 people in here now. 61 of you guys over here. Let's put it back on this for a moment. Oh no, the 1 minute candle smacked right into the 618. Come on, you can do it. Come on, these people need to let this thing run instead of selling on a little pump like this. I mean, I always say take profit, but let me switch the music again. Oh, we got Junior for the $20 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. Hopefully you're making a killing on ACH right now. I appreciate that. That made me smile. Thank you, my man. I may not be in the market with you guys making money at the moment, but that made me smile. Thank you. So the question is ACH going to continue here or is it going to get stuck? Oh no, she's getting stuck. You can see, I'm trying to see something here. Let's see. What else is moving? You said Fist is about to take off? Let's see. I'm trying to find something. Just give me a moment. Okay. Oh, all right, back over to the stream. What did I miss? CTX. What is, all right, CTX real quick. I don't know, it's right at the 618, so we're going to see if we can push through. It wicked above and it's getting stuck. That's what we were talking about, though. I was hoping it'd go all the way up to 786 and then pull back, but it's still bullish right now. But looking on the smaller time frames, like the hour, I guess the hour chart, if it does get stuck here, you could see this thing just simply pull back test, and then go back up. If it's going to happen. Excuse me. Yeah, someone just let me know if it keeps pushing here. CTX, is she pumping? Yeah, what? Yeah, someone give me a coin that's about to break out. I'm gonna try to put my little $25 on a 5 to 10x long on something. I should have did it on ACH, but I didn't have it at the time. What are we looking at? CTX. I gotta make some kind of money on this little move. Yeah, CTX is trying to run too low to the high. It's right at the 236, getting stuck at 480. So if you can get over 481 here, it should continue. It needs to get over 6. But just like with ACH, it needs to break this high back here. It's 790. But yeah, not a bad little move from the bottom. CTX over the 382, you're bullish. And then 6 is up, 27% move, and then maybe this would shoot up to the 618 at 970. Maybe wick above and hit 10, 100% move, a 2x from where it is, but it has to get through that resistance there. Did they change? Oh no, they didn't change. XCN is lagging compared to, well, XCN already had its run. Yeah, who's spamming? Oh, CTX. Alt season loading up. This is about to break out. Yeah, I looked at that one. They don't have it on Blowfin, so I can't long that one. I need another one. Yeah, CTX woke up. You said how high can CTX go, though? Well, right now it has to get to those levels here. If it does a 786 retracement, that'll take you up to $19, $20. And that'll be about a 4x, 100 million market cap, and then possible 1272. If you think it can hit almost a billion market cap, it'll be a 29x to 139 pretty much. Qtum. Yeah, I don't remember what Qtum was doing, but it's pumping. Where's our chart? Qtum. Yeah, is this thing trying to follow behind ACH? Break out of the pattern. Yeah, if you can get over the 382 here. So is this Qtum gonna about to run? Let's see. So what did I do? Qtum. Make sure I got all the super chats real quick. All right, we got those. Swift coin. So did she stall out or is she still moving? Oh, she's still above the 1618 at 4. If you can hold over 4 on Swift coin, like I said earlier, it's moved up a little. Next stop up is 115% move to 10 cents. $5.5 billion coming in. I don't know. I mean, this is the territory when you get over resistance is where it turns into a wick, it gets stuck, and then it pulls back and does nothing for another month. We'll see. Is ACH still getting stuck? Damn, she is still getting stuck. Right up to the 618 and got stuck. People see that and they just sell instantly. But just a little bit of selling, maybe people will pile back into these coins. XCN, Swift, and ACH all in your portfolio. That's nice. ACS a good buy. I think it is. Especially now that it came back down. So what are we looking at? I don't know. We're going to keep running with these coins, or are we stalling out for the night? Oh, what is Cardano doing? Yeah, Cardano's still bullish in the bull flag. We're just gonna scroll through the 4-hour charts. Just when I looked at ACH earlier before the stream, when I saw that, it was so bullish. Let's just scroll through and find another one. Find something else that's about to go. Oh man. There's only a few coins pumping though. There's not a lot. Alien base. What is alien base doing? Oh, alien base is up 95% on the week. Kava. Yeah, we forgot Kava. What is Kava doing? When's the last time we looked at Kava? Kava, let's see. Nothing at all bullish on Kava right now, it looks like. You're down below the 236, lower lows and lower highs. It's just been going down, not even really sideways, just well down and sideways, but you get the idea. And that same little consolidation in the pump. Looks like it's forming it again. But you need to get back over 58. You're holding the 0.5 right now. You hit the 618. And then bullish back over 50. 50, that'll send you up to 58, and then ultimately $1. And once you get over $1, it's bullish again. And then Kava, from where you are now, possible 786 retracement to 4.7 billion market cap for a 9x, a little over a 9x. But it first needs to get over the 618 for a 5x. And then your moonshot on Kava, 27 billion market cap to $25 for a 54x from today. But Kava essentially is down here doing nothing. If people are going to buy it and people know about it, then it could be a good play. Carrots going to 0. Yeah, I think I'm going to stay away from all the new coins, except for a select few, because they're just breaking down. Myro, you said you bought more Myro, someone said. Yeah, there's no telling if that's the bottom on Myro or not. Looks like it's still coming down to 2 pennies. Looks like it's trying to bottom, but it looks horrible. MTV's on the bottom. I forgot about Maple. Yeah, they killed these coins. Myro, Mudang, Billy, Chill Guy. Yeah, did Chill Guy ever bottom out? Someone said they were loading up on Chill Guy. No, she's still dying. Wow. Yeah, how long have we been on here? Ooh, 3 hours already. Spa's breaking out now. What's everyone doing? Friday night partying and they're just getting on Coinbase and buying coins? Is it payday or something? Yeah, no breakout yet, but she's moving. Oh, a little hourly double bottom. Spa. Hopefully we go to bed tonight, wake up tomorrow, and these coins are going. can't do SPA either. Seller network. Yep, seller's another one down on the bottom going sideways, just like the ZBET coin. Yeah, seller on Coinbase. I don't even know. That's the wrong tool. Come on now. Yeah, I've been staring at these charts too long. Could be. Just hit the 618. Could be the bottom here. It needs to get back over 1.7 and then 2.7 and then a 0.5. Get back over the trend at 4. But ultimately, seller network hasn't moved. Gaming isn't bullish at the moment. Oh man. What MAs do you use on the MA ribbon? I don't remember. I'll look at it. That was just one I came up with. I was trying to find something good for the 3-day chart. Last night, nothing moving, and now we're dying of boredom. Runners and track stars and everyone all tuned in after 3 hours. Yeah, why does it seem like it's going so slow, though? I feel like I've been sitting here forever talking about this stuff. Caesar put out a video that alt season is here. When? Just now? Let's see. Trump coin. I don't know if Trump coin bottomed. I wouldn't touch it. It may go up, but it had its turn. It had its hype. It looks, maybe it did break the 786 final support. Or it's right there. Let's see. Had a daily close, a 4-hour close, and a 3-day candle. Maybe if the 3-day candle can hold over $24 or $25 there, maybe it's the bottom. But on these smaller time frames, you already broke. It could just keep going lower, and there's nothing bullish on this chart at all. They came out, they pumped it to the moon, and dumped it on everyone. Um, 14 minutes ago. Yeah, I've seen a couple of his videos. I'm gonna have to go check it out after the stream, I guess, see what he says. Yeah, I was just trying to stream as long as I could tonight. I didn't know we were going to start pumping on some coins. Last day of the month to get any kind of revenue onto next month's check. So let's see what we got going on. ACH still, is there anything still moving, or did everything get stuck? I think everything is getting stuck now. Oh yeah, where's I forgot about Joe. Where's Joe? Joe hasn't been here tonight. He's wanting his Ondo bag to pump. But she's still stuck in the bear flag. How crazy is that? This one partnered with Ripple or XRP and backed by BlackRock, and it looks like it's in a bear flag pattern, just like it was back here. It tried to break out last night, but and ultimately, what was I looking at? I was trying to look at the dominance. Oh, the dominance is falling. Yeah, I think once the dominance breaks this structure here, this new little uptrend that it's in, that's when alt season's going to kick in for real. But the fact that we made the lower low, we went over this earlier, lower high now. I think we're right at the very start line of alt season. It's about to kick off. What am I looking for? See if I can draw a fib on the dominance. Yeah, I don't know if that's a thing or not, but there you go. Sitting on the 236. Yeah, we went over this earlier. The total market cap spawned in a new monthly candle right on here. So if we can break through this red line, that's going to also tell us 103 trillion. So did we stop moving? Oh, that's sad. That's unfortunate. Come on, people. SPA is moving. Yeah, SPA is moving a little bit. I was trying to find a coin I could do a little $25 10x long on or something. Something that's pumping real good right now. I have a gaming coin, Aleph. That may be a runner. Aleph IM, because there's like 2 or 3 different levels. There's Aleph 0, Aleph IM, and Alephium. I don't know which one you're talking about. XPR, she's still bullish. Not on the 1 hour. Yeah, if she could stay over the 382, got stuck at the 0.5, wicked above it. The same thing ACH is doing right now. That's why we try to be bullish. 382 at 40 is your support to hold. Just stay macro bullish on XPR network here. Oh, damn, she's breaking down. She tried to hold a bullish pattern. Now it looks like it's breaking down. But yeah, it's consolidating over the 382 at the moment on the smaller time frames. Price to beat is 0074. Then off to the penny she goes. Undead, what's up? He says, look at SUKU looks good. SUKU, yeah, I'm tired of looking at Spa. Oh yeah, SUKU's been down here on the bottom forever. Oh, SUKU may break down more. Yeah, SUKU's down here at the bottom. There's nothing bullish about this at all. Made a lower low. But as for a bottom being put in, yeah, it's going sideways on the 786 here, but it may come right back down to that 5 level again. So if you're looking to get on SUKU, it may drop back down because it looks bearish on the smaller time frames. Little bear flag formed. Just a little tiny bear flag to send it back to 5. But yeah, it's holding strong over that. Spa again. I'm just looking for a short-term, I guess a short-term long trade. But they don't have Spa on there, so they suck. Yeah, if she can push through 2.8, then y'all can start screaming Spa. Jasmine's starting to move. Aventus is primed. Alright, Aleph I am. Yeah, this is one we look at quite a bit. Potentially just put the bottom in. Double topped and then died. So this 236 here at the possible trend at 9 should be the bottom. Hasn't quite tagged it yet, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And you can clearly see breakout's going to be over this double top area, 786 at 46. Momentum is clearly down right now. Oh yeah, the 3-day chart, if you're still here, Dave. I was just playing around with the moving average. It's not perfect, of course. But when you have the stock R or the RSI go below 50, and then you get that bearish cross, then that just pretty much tells you the move is down. Same thing back here, you cross bearish, RSI is below 50, so that's where you put in a short. I'm trying to find a way to get good entries on shorts and longs. Just as here, you had a bullish cross and the RSI above 50, and then you could have rolled that up. Don't be greedy though, but the settings on it, I don't remember what it was. I was trying to get this cross as close as I could to either the top or the bottom is what I did. This is not the best looking chart. I was looking at it, I think, on SEI. Let me see if it was. It was SEI or DGen or something. I don't remember. I was trying to get some kind of indication of when things are going to go down and when they're going to go up. But right here, bearish cross, RSI is below 50, and the price just tanked. Of course, it's not always perfect because it just goes back and forth. But if you would have bought in on this cross, RSI is above, Your confirmation would be once it crosses and the RSI is back below, that would be when you get out of your position. But like I said, if you're greedy to hold it to that, then I can't help you. But you can see it didn't cross back. There was no confirmation of a cross. So that was my idea about it. You have to have it either, they have to both confirm each other. But it never crossed here, even though the RSI dipped. So you hold, and she went up more. But you get the idea. Now we just had a bearish cross, RSI below 50, and she's still going down. But anyway, the settings on it are, what is it? Just your regular RSI, and then your 7-day SMA and your 26-day EMA. And the indicator is called the moving average ribbon. Because I can turn on 50 and 100 when I need to look at them. All right, what's going on in the chat? AVT Prime to blast. Let's switch the music. Are we heading for 4 hours on this stream? I was hoping these things would continue pumping. AVT. Oh, what is Aventus doing? Yeah, Ventus doesn't look bad here. It's holding the trend. Little hourly bull flag. Could be. Depends on where you want to draw this, I guess. Yeah, it looks like if AVT can get over the 382 here. Excuse me. Yeah, did you guys hear me? I don't know if you heard me or not. I think my thing was muted. Let's see. Okay, we covered that. The ACH here, if this daily candle, if the daily candle stays above 5, then we're in good shape. If we end up falling back below 5, then there's a good chance we're going to come back down and consolidate here. So we really want the daily candle to stay up above since we broke all the highs. And hopefully tomorrow this thing will be above the 618 and pumping. Coinbase party. Yeah, I'm sorry about the cough. I'm out of water and I've been talking for 3 hours straight. 3.5, almost 4 hours straight. Oh, man. I scared him. All right, yeah, I guess we're going to leave it at that. We still got a bunch of people in here, but I can't sit here and stare at these charts anymore. So get your final thoughts in. I appreciate you guys coming in. I appreciate the super chats that came in. I appreciate the support and everything. Hopefully we stay bullish and we make it out of here. Hopefully XCN pumps next week for all the XCN Moon Boys. Yeah, got a couple coins trying to move. We'll see how tomorrow brings us. ACS is going back up again. But yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. I appreciate you guys coming in here. Appreciate the support and everything. I will be back on here tomorrow and we'll do this all over again. Hopefully we're bullish again. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace out.